So hello guys, welcome to this video on the negative bias series negative clipper. So in the previous videos we have solved the other two cases. तो यार उनको अपन एनालाइज किए थे ओपन सर्किट टेस्ट से, तो इस सर्किट को अपन एनालाइज करते हैं शॉर्ट सर्किट टेस्ट से. ठीक है, तो यूजिंग शॉर्ट सर्किट टेस्ट, सी इन ओपन सर्किट टेस्ट आवर बेसिकली आवर फोकस इज ऑन द वोल्टेज अक्रॉस द डायोड, एंड इन short circuit test our focus is on the current of the diode, right? So when I will short circuit the diode, the circuit will become like this. Diode will be short circuited. This is V in and this is V out. This is V reference, this is resistor, right? This is I. See, now the value of I is V in minus of minus VR divided by R, okay, which is equals to V in plus VR by R. See, now if the diode is on, then I will be greater than 0, right? So when diode is on, I is greater than 0, and when diode is off, I is less than 0. So I less than 0 means diode is off, and I greater than 0 means diode is on. क्यों? क्योंकि देखो यार, see, I is flowing from A to K, right? Anode to cathode. This is anode, this is cathode, right? See, in a diode, current can never flow from cathode to anode, only from anode to cathode. So we have assumed it to flow from A to K. Now if I is less than 0, that is current is flowing from K to A, which is not possible. So in that case the diode will be considered as off, and in this case we will consider the diode to be on. Now when the diode is on, that is I is greater than 0, then this sum, obviously this sum is greater than 0, right? So when this is greater than 0, that means V in is greater than minus VR. And when this is the case, the diode is short circuit, and see, these two are in parallel, right? So V0 will be equals to V in. So when the diode is on, the output voltage equals to input voltage. But when I is less than 0, that is this sum, V in plus VR is less than 0. In this case, V in is less than minus VR. So when that's the case, the diode will be open circuit. Now if I open circuit the diode, there will be no current here, 0 ampere, right? So when there is no current, then there is no voltage drop across the resistor. So output voltage will just be equal to VR. Now if I apply KVL here, I'll get V0 equals to minus VR. So when the diode is off, output voltage equals to minus VR. So guys, now I have already made the output and input characteristics, and also the transfer characteristics. So let's see them. See, when V in is greater than VR minus VR, the diode is on, as I just discussed, and in that case V0 will be equals to V in. And when V in is less than minus VR, diode is off, and V0 equals to minus VR. See, as we have applied negative bias, right? So we have drawn it below this reference axis. Okay, this is 0 volt. So we have drawn it below the 0 volt minus VR, as we have applied negative biased. So we have drawn it below the 0 axis, 0 volt. So this is minus VR, right? So this is the positive part and this is the negative part. So I have drawn vertical lines here, right? Now in case of when V in is greater than minus VR, तो देखो यार इस पार्ट में, in this part V in is greater than minus VR. This is V in, this is greater in this part, right? So in this part, entire part, V0 will be equals to V in, यानी कि पूरी तरह इसको कॉपी करेगा, ठीक है? इसलिए इसको ये पूरी तरह ऐसे आया है, यहाँ तक सेम, यहाँ तक सेम है. लेकिन जैसे V in इज लेस देन माइनस VR, मतलब ये जो रेफरेंस लाइन है इसके नीचे ही तो V in लेस देन माइनस VR है, तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा हम लोग का आउटपुट? यहाँ पे आउटपुट होगा V0 इक्वल्स टू माइनस VR, यानी कि जो हम लोग का रेफरेंस वोल्टेज है जो हमने अप्लाई किया है वही होगा, ठीक है? तो वो फिर से ऐसे रिपीट करें. अभी देखो यार, इस लाइन के जस्ट ऊपर V in इज ग्रेटर देन माइनस VR, एंड इन दैट केस आउटपुट इक्वल्स टू इनपुट. तो पूरा तरह ऐसे कॉपी करेगा, फिर ऐसे रिपीट होगा, ठीक है? सो दिस इज द आउटपुट एंड द इनपुट वेव फॉर्म. नाउ सो लेट्स कीप इट असाइड एंड सी ट्रांसफर कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स. सर मैंने आपको पहले बोला था ट्रांसफर कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इज नथिंग बट द ग्राफ बिटवीन आउटपुट एंड इनपुट voltage, right? See, we saw these conditions when V in is greater than minus VR. See, as we have applied negative bias, so I have drawn it on the negative x-axis and on the negative y-axis, right? See, in the second video I have drawn it on the positive x-axis and on the positive y-axis, because I have applied positive bias. But in the case of negative bias, we draw it on the negative x and y axis. So when V in is greater than minus VR, then output will be equals to input. So this is a linear line passing through the origin with the slope m equals to 1. Now when V in is less than minus VR, when it is less than minus VR in this part, then V0 will be equals to minus VR. So guys, this will be our transfer characteristics. So now we have studied series negative clipper. So let me just recap whatever we have studied. So guys, we saw that series negative clipper, basically it clips the negative part of the waveform, and it is of two types, positive biased and negative biased. And we saw these two conditions, right? And if the reference voltage is negative, that is the biased voltage, if it is negative, then it is called negative bias. And if the reference voltage is positive, as we saw in case of positive bias series negative clipper, then it is called as positive clipper. So this was all about negative series clipper. Now in the next video we will see positive clippers, series positive clipper. So I hope you like the video.